Hi guys, I'm Miley.
And I'm Nathan, and welcome to Ride-tastic. Today, we have this very cool bouncy ball. What makes this bouncy ball so cool, Riley?
It lights up so you bounce it.
It lights up when you bounce it. That's awesome.
But you can't see it right now because it's too bright.
It is too bright right now. When it's dark, you can see this light up. So Riley and I were thinking, what makes this bouncy ball light up? Well, I think there's a light inside of this. So we want to cut this bouncy ball open and see what's inside.
And we're going to cut it open with a handsaw.
Yes. Now, kids at home, do not use a saw, scissors, or anything dangerous without your parents.
But I can use scissors by myself.
With permission. All right, so let's get right into this. Are you ready, Riley?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna set the ball here on this non-slip surface. Can you just move away a little bit over there, and that way I can move the saw?
Yeah, and
Okay.
you're going to cut it on this line.
All right, perfect.
I can feel it.
Here we go. Let's see. Wow, this is a pretty tough bouncy ball. What do you think is going to be inside, Riley?
Stop. Now, take it off.
Ooh. It kind of looks like there's some crystals that the bouncy ball is made out of.
I'm going to get a napkin.
I don't think we need a napkin. Let's keep moving along here.
Okay.
All right, but yeah, we got the ball started. Let's keep cutting.
He's almost done, guys. Is that hard, Daddy?
I hear something. I think we're getting to the middle part of it. Let's keep going. Yeah, we'll wash our hands after this.
Now, this side. I hold it.
Ooh.
Did you hear that click?
Ooh. Did you hear that?
If you hear that, then I'm say that to move on.
Doesn't this look like a planet? Like a big blue planet? Like the planet Earth?
Not Earth.
Not Earth?
Pluto.
Pluto, you're right.
This ball looks like Pluto. And all that white stuff looks like dust.
Mm-hmm.
And remember, the king planet? Who's the king planet?
Who is the king planet?
I give you a hint. It has the big giant spot.
Big giant spot.
He's the biggest, so he's the king planet.
Yes, Jupiter is the king planet.
I hold it.
Yes.
So now
We're
stop.
getting close. We're almost all the way around.
Yeah, you just need to take out one more.
Just another reminder, kids, do not do this. Let your parents do this part.
Yeah. But I know how to act.
Okay, I think we've got it all the way around.
Now he's going to try to pull it open.
Not quite yet. Whoa.
Just a little bit more. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Wow, these crystals are everywhere. We're really gonna have to wash our hands and clean this up when we're done.
but you don't know if it is crystals.
Right. Actually, I don't know what this is.
That's enough.
Alright, let's try again. Not gonna work. Starting to rip it apart. Look.
Alright.
Do you see? There's a light in here. There's a big plastic ball with a light bulb.
And look at this side.
Ooh.
It's just clear on the inside. The inside is just like really clean. But look, it's all white on the outside.
Wow.
All that stuff.
So there must be a sensor in here that when you hit it, it lights up, and that's how it bounces and lights up.
Let's see. Maybe we cut the sensor.
Maybe we broke the light when we cut it open. But now we know what is on the inside.
Look guys, I put a piece off.
Now we know what is on the inside of the blue Pluto bouncy ball. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, Riley?
Okay, now cut it like this.
All right, we'll keep working on this without you. And if you want to know more about how we got this out or what happens next, go ahead and leave a comment below and come back next time to Rightastic. Thanks again. Bye.
Hey guys, this is my first video.
First video, so don't forget to subscribe to see more of Riley and Rightastic.
Yep, bye.
Bye. Look. So there's a little board in here, like a computer has inside of it. Yep. I don't think it's gonna light up anymore.
Wait, I think it will. I think
We
that.
got both sides open, guys.
Yeah, and I think this popped out.
I think so too.
It popped out.